Hey, it's Jimmy here with True Homes, and I hope you enjoyed that tour of the Montcrest 1755. I'm at Stonebridge Fairways in Monroe, North Carolina, filming this video. This is one of 3 versions of the Montcrest, and it has some really cool add-on features that don't necessarily come standard, but as a semi-custom home builder, we can add those. One of those is the expanded sunroom. We also have the sitting room off of the primary bedroom. So many really cool features, so many great things that we can do when you build a home with True Homes. Let me know if you have any questions about this particular floor plan or any others. Again, like I said, this is one of 3 variations of this home that we do. So the 1755 has the completed upstairs. We have another version, the 1756, that has a finished room or loft over the garage. And then we have the 1754 if you're looking for all downstairs living, all on one floor. We can accomplish that for you as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on a future video. Take care.